Are you too old for streetwear? Is it time to put away the Supreme, the kit, the fitteds, the sneakers, and all that fun stuff? The reality is, no, you don't. There's no age that you have to stop wearing streetwear at unless you want to. As we get older and progress in our careers, some of us have to have a little bit of a wardrobe refresh. Those graphic tees and cargos might go to the back of the closet, and the suits might come and rotate to the front. You might even look for some inspo on Instagram and might come across an account like Men's with Style, where it's all suits all the way down, and even the casual fits are chinos and plain white sneakers. That doesn't have to be you unless you want it to be. I'm 28 and I'm still experimenting with my style, but no matter how far I venture out, I still gravitate back to streetwear. So for today's video, I made 3 fits that show you how I still incorporate streetwear and sneakers into my outfits. We're starting off with a denim jacket. Now this is more in an overshirt style with an asymmetrical oversized pocket on one side. Now the simple and safe way is to pair it with a white tee, and this one is a Uniqlo Airism t-shirt. And since this is also part of my work rotation, I'm going to pair it with some all black slim chinos. Now I'm playing off the white sneakers and chinos look, but I'm adding a pop of color and going with a GR release because not everything has to be hype. So these are the big swoosh blazers in the low cut form. And finally, I'm going to pair it with this fitted from the Hat Club cereal pack. Now this is one of my favorite fitteds, and it's great for a casual fit in my opinion. Once we put it all together, we have our first fit. Now I know the trend right now is going baggier and looser silhouettes, but a nice slim and tailored fit is also great, and it works good for my body type, and that's why I go with it. As you can see, the color coordination is a great way to tie everything together, and this outfit here is great for a nice casual setting or just to wear out and run some errands in. Next up, we have knitwear, which becomes a staple in almost everybody's wardrobe as we get older, but I'm opting for something with bigger branding across the front with the Essentials one. And I'm going to pair it with these black pleated pants from Fashion Nova to dress it up a bit. You don't have to break the bank for a nice pair of pleated pants. And for the sneakers, I'm going to opt for my Air Force Ones with the silver chain detailing that was custom and added, but a nice plain pair would work too. Now for this outfit here, I decided to incorporate looser silhouettes to show that you can still keep up with trends no matter how old you get, but I do it in my own way. As you can see, it's still a form-fitted crew neck up top, but the arms are on the looser side, and same with the pleated pants. They're roomier, but I had them tailored to fit right above my sneakers, and if I actually fix it up for the video, they would stack right. For the last fit, I wanted to have a little bit of fun with it, so I'm going to pair it with my Locust and Wild Honey workwear jacket in this nice olive colorway, one of my favorite pieces. For the denim, I'm going to go with this beige pair from the Gap. You don't have to stick to the regular blacks and blues, guys. You can venture out a bit. For the sneakers, we're going to keep it simple with these ALD 550s and a fitted from Hat Club to tie everything together because this one incorporates colors that are in the outfit. Now this final fit takes some inspiration from the ALD lookbooks, but on a budget. The pants are from Gap. One of my favorite pants from a more adult store, so you don't have to be limited to the khakis and button-ups. And of course, I want to show you guys you can incorporate some color, stay away from the blacks and blues, and have a little fun with it no matter how old you get. So those were the fits, and I know guys, the angles aren't great, but I'm just trying to make do with the space I have. I will figure out a solution that's going to work for all of us eventually. Let me know what you guys thought of the fits down in the comment section below and how you guys incorporate streetwear into your daily outfits. And if you guys aren't done watching YouTube for the day, make sure you guys click on one of these 2 videos here. As always, guys, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you all next time.